Question number 1. Which part of the ear is responsible for collecting sound waves? Correct answer is option B, pinna. Question number 2. What is the main function of the eardrum? Correct answer is option C, transmitting sound waves. Question number 3. Which part of the ear contains the smallest bones in the human body? Correct answer is option A, middle ear. Question number 4. What is the cochlea primarily responsible for? Correct answer is option C, hearing. Question number 5. The Eustachian tube connects the middle ear to which part of the body? Correct answer is option B, throat. Question number 6. Which fluid-filled structure in the inner ear helps with balance? Correct answer is option C, semicircular canals. Question number 7. What converts sound waves into electrical signals in the ear? Correct answer is option A, hair cells. Question number 8. What type of receptor is responsible for detecting sound? Correct answer is option B, machine receptor. Question number 9. What separates the outer ear from the middle ear? Correct answer is option B, tympanic membrane. Question number 10. Which bone connects to the oval window of the cochlea? Correct answer is option C, stapes. Question number 11. What is the unit used to measure sound intensity? Correct answer is option B, decibel. Question number 12. What is the range of frequencies the human ear can typically hear? Correct answer is option B, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Question number 13. What is the condition called when the inner ear is damaged leading to hearing loss? Correct answer is option B, sensory neural hearing loss. Question number 14. What is tinnitus? Correct answer is option B, ringing or buzzing in the ears. Question number 15. What is the common cause of swimmer's ear? Correct answer is option B, infection in the outer ear. Question number 16. What is the main component of earwax? Correct answer is option A, lipids. Question number 17. Which part of the ear grows throughout life? Correct answer is option C, pinna. Question number 18. Which nerve carries auditory signals to the brain? Correct answer is option C. Question number 19. Which part of the ear is most vulnerable to loud noise damage? Correct answer is option C, hair cells in the cochlea. Question number 20. What structure protects the ear from sudden loud noises? Correct answer is option A, tympanic reflex. Question number 21. What are the three bones in the middle ear collectively called? Correct answer is option B, ossicles. Question number 22. Which of the following is not a part of the inner ear? Correct answer is option C, pinna. Question number 23. The smallest bone in the human body is called the. Correct answer is option C, stapes. Question number 24. What separates the cochlea from the middle ear? Correct answer is option A, oval window. Question number 25. What is the spiral shaped structure in the inner ear? Correct answer is option B. Question number 26. What helps maintain pressure balance between the middle ear and the environment? Correct answer is option B, Stochain tube. Question number 27. Which part of the ear is responsible for detecting head position and movement? Correct answer is option B, semicircular canals. Question number 28. The function of airbags is to. Correct answer is option B, protect the ear canal from debris and bacteria. Question number 29. What is the role of auditory nerve? Correct answer is option C, transmit electrical signals to the brain. Question number 30. Which part of the ear helps regulate equilibrium? Correct answer is option B, semicircular canals. Question number 31. What part of the ear converts mechanical sound vibration into neural signals? Correct answer is option B, hair cells in the cochlea. Question number 32. Which type of hearing loss is caused by blockage or damage in the outer or middle ear? Correct answer is option B, conductive. Question number 33. The vestibular system is responsible for. Correct answer is option C, maintaining balance and spatial orientation. Question number 34. What is the main fluid inside the cochlear cord? Correct answer is option B. Question number 35. The organ of Corti is located in the. Correct answer is option B, cochlea. Question number 36. Exposure to loud sound over time can cause. Correct answer is option A, sensorineural hearing loss. Question number 37. Which hearing disorder is characterized by dizziness and spinning sensations? Correct answer is option B, Meniere's disease. Question number 38. Otosclerosis primarily affects with which part of the ear? Correct answer is option B, middle ear bones. Question number 39. Which test is commonly used to diagnose hearing loss? Correct answer is option B, audiometry. Question number 40. A reputed eardrum can lead to. Correct answer is option B, conductive hearing loss. Question number 41. Which part of the brain processes sound signals? Correct answer is option B, temporal lobe. Question number 42. What is the shape of the cochlea? Correct answer is option C, spiral. Question number 43. What condition causes age-related hearing loss? Correct answer is option A, presbycusis. Question number 44. Which part of the ear amplifies sound the most? Correct answer is option B, ossicles. Question number 45. The term otology refers to the study of. Correct answer is option A, ears. Question number 46. How many semicircular canals are present in each ear? Correct answer is option B, 3. Question number 47. What structure helps equalize pressure in the middle ear during altitude changes? Correct answer is option B, Eustachian tube. Question number 48. What type of cartilage from the outer ear? Correct answer is option B, elastic. Question number 49. Which nerve is shared by the ear for hearing and balance? Correct answer is option B. Question number 50. What protects the inner ear from excessive vibration? Correct answer is option A, tympanic reflex.